Hello everyone, welcome to MedVision. In today's video, we will learn how to measure two very important angles on lateral X-ray view of coccyx, the sacrococcygeal angle and the intercoccygeal angle. We know that this is the entire sacrum and this is a part of the coccyx bone. And this junction is called sacrococcygeal junction. So these angles are extremely useful in evaluating patients with coccydynia, trauma, and suspected coccygeal instability. So firstly, we discuss about the sacrococcygeal angle. And let's understand this angle is formed between a long axis of the sacrum, the long axis of the sacrum, and the long axis of the coccygeal segment. And these lines and the point we have these lines are intersect form an angle, and this angle is called sacrococcygeal angle. Normally, most commonly, this angle is lies between 150 to 180 degree. According to the reference of textbook of radiology and radiopedia, if the angle is decreased, and that indicates the anterior angulation, and which lead to trauma or stiffness in coccyx. And if the angle is increased, it indicates the posterior displacement or hypermobility of coccyx. Second, we are discuss about the intercoccygeal angle. The angle formed between the two adjacent coccygeal segments, usually C1 and C2. The name suggested that the intercoccygeal, the angle between the two coccyx, the angle forms between the two coccyx is called intercoccygeal angle. So if I draw a line along with the axis of upper segment of C1 and draw a second line of the same segment of C2. My endo must be in midline. The angle is formed where the midpoints, the lines are intersect and made a small angle that is called intercoccygeal angle. So the normal angle lies aligned 5 degree to 20 degree. If the angle increase the kyphotic deformity or instability, and a decrease or reverse angle, it indicates the subluxation or dislocation. This angle is helpful to detect and detect the segmental abnormalities. Segmental abnormalities. Sorry, this is not considered. Segmental. Consider. So in this video, we measure two important angles, the sacrococcygeal angle, which lies between the sacrum and coccyx, and the sacrum and the coccyx, and the intercoccygeal angle, which lies between the two coccyx bones. With benefit for coccyx. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MedVision for more radiological learning videos. Thank you for watching.